G'day from Bang Saray. Ooh, long time no see. Anyway, I'm down here at Bang Saray Beach because I spotted, see that umbrella over there? You can stay right there. One Sabai Beach it's called. I'm going to show you a couple of rooms and I'll go through the prices, and I've got a restaurant next door. Anyway, somewhere to stay if you live here or you're in Pattaya and you want to get away, etc, etc. Just another accommodation option in Bang Saray. Get back to work, you bludger. Get back to work. Imagine just chilling right there with that view. This restaurant is called One Sabai Seafood, and the resort's One Sabai Beach Resort. Two show-off shih tzus might even come and give you a visit.
One Sabai Beach Resort.
One Sabai Beach Resort. Let's have a look. And all the room rates include a Thai breakfast. Ooh. Aircon. Brand new. TV. Air dryer, water, little fridge. So this one, it's not cheap. But look at that view from your front door. Or where you're laying in bed. Would be a bit noisy. I don't know. This one's 2,000 baht. Includes breakfast. Thai breakfast. But if you want to save a little bit of money, chill here. Restaurant, we'll have a look at that. This will be the same design. This one's 1,500 per night, 1,500 baht per night. All brand new. But if there's a group of you and you don't mind sharing a room, so there's two rooms, 1,500. The front one, sea view, direct beachfront basically, 2,000. And then up here, this room sleeps 8. Oh jeez, 8 people. This one is 4,500 baht per night for 8 people. Includes breakfast. Thai breakfast though, but they do have American option. Great menu, Thai and Western food. I've shown it before, all the beach condos down the end of this soy, but they've also got parking at the back. So if you want to keep your car and your bike off the street and not over there on the beach, they've got parking. I wouldn't mind staying down here myself sometime. And don't forget, you can always chill on the beach here, and they bring you food and drinks as well in the shade. You get a coffee first. 2022. 2022. Stage 2, look at this beast. Pigs. Oh, what a machine. 117. So this is what you can do when you come and retire in Thailand, everyone. kick back and relax, buy yourself a Harley. Come and stay down here at Bang Saray. Life's good. There's another restaurant here, Italai right next door. Anyway, we bought this Yamaha Grand Filano. I bought it off King. It's 3 weeks old with 275 kilometres on it because we've taught Lily to ride between our feet and she loves it. Bang Saray. But I do get in trouble for telling everyone about it quite often by the locals. The Thai locals don't mind seeing extra people in town. They need customers to survive. There's the coffee.
Very nice.
Is it?
Yes. Bangsaray beach hopping.
Sue likes it a little bit sweet, not 100% sweet, 25% sweet. So, imagine just chilling right there with that view. Really? Thai restaurant there. Take it out. There's our car, 951. Where is he? Yeah, I can see him. Get back to work, you bludger. Get back to work. And just up here, if you want to get social, you come down here and you see Ewan and you catch up with all the locals. And here, we're going to finish the video. Oh, after this bike goes past. Marie. We've got no helmets on, which is very bad, but we don't go any faster than 25, and yes, we can fall off and crack our heads. We've got to go to Saturday and pick up some new helmets. And thanks for watching. Thanks, Dad.
Thank you for watching. We love you.
What a day.